Okay. Prime numbers. The numbers which have only two factors are called prime numbers. The numbers which have only two factors are called prime numbers. For example, now I will ask some questions. Ceremony, Rajkumar, be alert, sit properly. Ceremony. There is some disturbance. Okay. Say factors of one are one.
Sir?
Factors of one are what?
1. Yes.
Factors of two are
1.
No. 1, 2.
1, 2.
See, like this. Factors we can write like this, children. So for 1 ones are 1, 2, 1 2s are 2, 2 1 2s are 2, up to down to up. Okay, I will explain once again. So simply we can say up to 20. Orally we can say for small numbers. Orally we can say small numbers. Tanvi, you unmute once. Okay, Sirmauni, you listen carefully.
Yes, sir.
Do I have perfect factors?
Yes, sir.
Say factors of 1. Factors of 1.
Sir, 1.
1. So factors of 2. Factors of 2.
1 and 2.
1 and 2.
1 and
Factors of 3.
1, 3.
1, 3. Factors of 4.
1, 2, 4.
1, 2, 4. Factor means the numbers which divide. The numbers which divide exactly are called factors. So this is exactly divisible. Factors of 5.
1 and 5.
1, 5. Factors of 6.
1, 2, 3, 6.
1, 2, 3, 6. Factors of 7.
1 and 7.
Factors of 8.
Sir, 1, 2, 4, 8.
1, 2, 4, 8. Factors of 9.
Sir, factors of 9, 1 and 9. 1, 3, 9.
Yes. Factors of 9. 1, 3, 9. Factors of 10.
Sir, 1, 2, 5, 10.
1, 2, 5, 10. We can say this orally. These all numbers are divisible by with these factors, children, without a remainder. So how many factors has a 1? Number of this is the number. These are factors. These are the factors. Number of factors. How many factors has a 1? So now Jaydev, you say, you count and say, Jaydev, you unmute. So remaining children, observe carefully. While asking, you give answers properly. Jaydev, unmute. Jaydeep. Okay.
Okay, unmute yourself.
Jaydeep. Next, SSV, you unmute. Okay. Is my voice is clear or not? Srita.
Bombay hotspot and 90%. Bombay hotspot and
Jaydev, and now you ask your doubt.
ఏం ప్రాబ్లం లేదు నేను వెళ్తే ఎక్కువ నేను మీద యూత్ టీచర్ ఏమైంది పోకలేదు యూత్
Okay. Now, Jaydev, ask your doubt. Is this okay now? Right, okay. Sirimavani, you raised your hands. Ask your doubt.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Ask.
not doubt, sir. I will tell answers.
Okay, okay, okay. I will ask you. Get ready. SSV. SSV.
Yes, sir.
You ask your doubt. Okay, no doubt. I will ask you questions. How many factors one has? How many factors has a one? You count and say. One. Okay.
మ్యూట్ అయిపోయింది అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకోండి
Now, okay. Unmute yourself.
unmute yourself fastly
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
How many factors has a one?
How many factors?
Only
How
one.
many factors was it?
Okay, only one. How many factors has two? How many this? Right, okay. You listen carefully.
1, 2.
How many those? You count and say.
2.
Okay.
Sir,
Okay,
two.
okay, very good, very good. Now, Sirimavani, how many factors has two?
2.
Right. How many factors has three?
2.
How many factors has four?
3.
How many factors has five? Say fatafat.
2. 2,
How many
2.
factors has six? 6,
4. 4.
7,
2.
8,
4.
9,
3.
10.
4.
Yes. So the numbers which have only two factors like this, the numbers which have only two factors like this are called prime numbers. Which have only two factors here? Which
Two.
have this two?
2 and 3 and 5, 7 and 11.
Right.
17.
Okay. Okay. Wait. Right. Okay. Very good. You are next to SSV. And now you say, what are primes?
Yes.
The numbers which have only two factors are called prime numbers. Which have only two factors? Which numbers have only two factors? Say fatafat. Which numbers? Only two factors? And you muted. Okay, Jaydeep, unmute yourself. Okay. Which numbers have only two factors? Say fatafat. Two. First two. This one. Next 3. Next. Which numbers have only two factors? You see here.
5.
Yes, very good. 5. Next.
7.
7. Very good. So up to 10, we have these primes. Why? Because these only primes. So these are only two factors. Understood prime numbers clearly? Okay. I will ask one by one again. Tanvi, okay. Tanvi, okay. Show your emoji. Okay, right. Srita, okay.
Sir, okay, sir. Sir, right?
You already written. Is this okay or perfect or doubt or any doubt?
Sir, no, sir.
Right, okay. Say immediately. Right, okay. Sivaram? Okay. Understood?
Sir,
Clear?
sir, clear.
Okay, very good, very good. Next, Raj, Rajkumar, are you okay?
Okay,
Understood?
sir.
Right, okay.
Under
SSV, okay?
okay, sir.
Right, okay. Next, right, Jaydeep, okay. All right. Today, continue next. Can you take a start? Okay, sir will continue class now. I will send you this PDF for you, for all of you. You revise and try to say perfectly tomorrow this. Okay, I will tell you, I will send you this PDF. Okay, right. Just you all of you drink some water. Just
Okay.
take a break, 1 minute, just 1 minute. 1 minute, children. Drink some water and just once stand, sit to 1, 2 times, stand, sit to 2 times. Okay. Okay, go ahead, brothers. I'm sending, sharing.
I think that's the answer. Mommy, give me water bottle. Mommy, give some milk. Okay, coming.
వీళ్ళకు డీటెయిల్ చెప్పాలి.
Okay.
న్యూ కామర్స్ ఉన్నారు. Once all of you stand. Okay, once turn your head left on your head left on head, only head, left on, right on, again right on, left on, right on. Okay, every time you turn 90-degree angle. 90-degree angle means left turn means like this. Right turn means here to right turn, same right front. Okay, right. All of you look front. Okay, come. Right. Okay, sir will continue now.
Okay, good evening, children. Sit down. Okay. So near Shivaram, those are 3 friends. You are 3 or 5th class only. Okay, he is your brother. Okay, let him listen. Okay, no problem. This A and these articles will be for asked in every competitive examination also. Okay, even I am studying, even while I am studying in BTech degree, they asked articles. Okay, So yes, that's most important topic, articles. Okay. So right. First I will make you one exercise. What I will tell you have to do like that. Okay. See, if I tell see up means you have to see up, and if I tell see down means you have to see down. Left. This is exercise for head. Okay. 1 minute. See left. Left everybody. Right. Move your head right side. Slowly, slowly. Left side. Right. Left. 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 Right. Left. Right. Right. Okay, very good. You are concentrating very well. Yes, good, good. That's I need. That's I need in my class. Yes, right. So while listening in the class, you have to focus. Yes, see front, front, see front. Okay, right. Okay, good, good. Okay, okay. So yes, now we will watch this A and the. What are A and the first of all? Okay, you can remove this emoji. This what her name? Her name what? Ceremony. Okay, you can remove. If I can't able to understand means now Tanvi raised hand now, like that. That's why. So
Sir, A and the are known as articles, sir.
very good. They are known as articles. So don't okay. You can keep emojis in the class, but keep emojis with the purpose only. Now she is ready to tell the answer. Then that's why she raised her hand. But don't keep like that. Someone keeping love emoji like that. It's a very not good. Okay. Yes, right. Keep emoji when you are having any doubt or when you are ready to tell the answer only. Okay, right. So now we are discussing articles. Yes, right. A and the or the articles which is used before the nouns. Okay, before any important words. Okay, yes, first we'll listen to this video, right? Wait, I will stop sharing.
Letters are special. And the. You know, there are 26 letters in the English alphabet. Some letters are special. E, I, O, U. These are called vowels. All the other letters are called consonants. When do we use A? A is used before words beginning with a consonant. For example, a tree, a window, a hospital, a woman, a bottle, a monkey, a mango, a ship, a buffalo, a river, a mountain.
Sir, you are in mute, sir.
You know, there are 26 letters in the English alphabet.
Okay, how many of you know vowels and consonants? Do you know vowels and consonants? Okay, tell me, Sri. Yes, tell me, Tanvi. What are vowels and what are consonants?
Sir, vowels A, E, I, O, U are vowels, sir.
Yes.
Consonants are B, C, D.
Okay, okay, you
F.
tell. Okay, good, good, good. Remaining A, E, I, O, U, those are consonants you tell. Okay, right. Okay, good, good. Yes, Srita, tell me, what do you know about vowels and consonants?
Sir,
Sir,
vowels and
21,
consonants.
there are 21 consonants also, sir.
Good, good, good. Yes. Tell me.
Vowels 5, consonants 26. 21.
Very good. Vowels 5, consonant 21. Good, good. What are vowels? Tell me the vowels.
Vowels.
Yes.
Sir, vowels A, E, I, O, U.
Good. Very good. Then what are consonants?
Sir, consonants.
Yes. Remaining A, E, I, O, U, those all are consonants. Okay. Yes, yes. Okay. Good, good. Okay. Right, right. No problem. You can mute. So remaining A, E, now Tanvi is go on telling now like this B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K. Okay. Remaining A, E, I, O, U. All remaining letters are consonants. Okay. First of all, A, E, I, O, U are these 5 letters are vowels. You remember that. Okay. Vowels. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Okay. Yes. Next, tell me, Shivaram, what are vowels?
So, vowels 21.
Consonants. Consonants are 21. Okay. Vowels are 5.
Yes.
There are 5 vowels.
5.
Those are A, E, I, O, U. Okay. Everybody. Okay.
Okay.
Concentrate here. Concentrate on me only. How many vowels are there in this alphabet? 5 vowels.
A,
Those are
U.
A, E, I, O, U. Okay. In before
Sir.
these 5, okay, before these 5 letters only, they will keep an. Okay. But I will tell in detail what is A and where we use A and the also. Okay. Yes, Sir has done one video also. I will send that also. You can watch after this class also. Yes. Next, Jaideep Shrestha. Tell me what are vowels? Fast, make fast, children. We are ending up with time. We are running out of time. 6 minutes only left. Put on your mic fastly. Fast. Tell me what are vowels? A-I-O-U. Right. Very good. Yes. Next. Tell me fast. Yashasvi, tell me what are vowels?
Sir, vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Consonants are B, C, D, F, G,
Okay, good.
H, J, K,
Okay.
L, M,
Remaining
N,
A-I-O-U.
P.
Yes. Okay. Go ahead. Next, this ceremony. Tell me what are consonants? Good.
Sir,
Yashasvi, good.
Consonants.
Yes.
That consonants.
Yes.
There are consonants B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M,
Short
N,
answer.
P,
Short and
Q,
sweet
R,
answer.
S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Okay. Good. Next. Who's
A,
this?
E, I, O, U are vowels.
How many consonants are there in alphabet? How many consonants are there in alphabet? Ceremony, tell me. Okay, I will unmute. How many consonants are there? No,
21.
Tanvi is helping. Tanvi you should not help
21.
like that. 21. Okay,
Sir,
good.
21
Right.
I will know.
Yes, you know, but I am telling to Tanvi, you should not show answers. Yes. Okay, right. Next, Raju Kumar. The name with Raj Kumar. Unmute yourself. Yes, good. Ceremony, good. Very good. Next, put on your mic. Raj Kumar. Unmute yourself. And tell me how many consonants are there?
Vowels are 5. A, E, I, O, U.
Very good.
Consonants are 1.
Okay. Before A, E, I, O, U, we will use an. Before A, E, I, O, U, we will use an. And before remaining all consonants, before vowels, we use an. And before consonants, we will use A. But some exceptions are there. I will tell some exceptions also. You remember those exceptions, okay? Or you remember this blindly. Do you know Atu Rauti? A, E, U, Ru, Ru. Do you know these all things? Atu Rauti? Do you know As? Atu Rauti? Varnamala. Meeku Varnamala telsa? Tanvi తెలియదు అంటుంది. తన్వికి నేను వీడియో పంపిస్తా. ఆశన సార్ చేశారు. అది నువ్వు నేర్చుకోవాలి. రౌతి వరకు నేర్చుకోవాలి. ఎందుకు అంటే ఆ నుంచి రౌతి వరకు అన్మ్యూట్.
Sir, I know Hindi Varnamala, sir. I don't know Telugu. Sir.
Okay, no problem. If you know Hindi Varnamala also, no problem. We can consider that also. That's you tell her. You'll continue. Okay, Atu Rauti sound వచ్చింది అనుకో an అంటాం. Okay, sir will continue. Tomorrow I will continue. We are running out of time.
Okay, watch carefully, children.
Some
Watch
letters
carefully.
are special. A, E, I, O, U. These are called vowels. All the other letters are called consonants. When do we use A? A is used before words beginning with a consonant. For example, a tree, a window, a hospital, a woman, a bottle, a monkey, a mango, a ship, a buffalo, a river, a mountain. An is used before words beginning with a vowel or silent H. An ant, an apple, an ass, an egg, an engine, an eye, an ear, an iron, an inkpot, an orange, an officer, an onion, an ox, an umbrella, an uncle, an hour. The is used before such words as the sun, the moon, the earth, the sky, the world, the red fort.
Okay, I will ask one by one. First, Sirimauni.
Sir,
Fill in the blanks with the A and
sir,
the. Okay.
sir, I will tell this one. Okay. There. And cow. And cow.
No. Okay.
Sir, a cow,
Tanvi.
a cow. A cow.
A cow.
A cow.
All right.
Yes, a cow.
Next.
An ox. An ox.
The Indian Ocean.
The
Yes,
Indian
the
Ocean.
Indian Ocean. An hour.
The ear.
Yes, the ear.
The nut. Okay. You have to know some more. Okay. Who can say? I will play